Okay, right here, I'm going to show you how I gather these little strips. You'll see that I am getting them, and I apologize, it's not really in frame really good. I'm just rolling them up right now and getting them all separated. You do separate them, and then I'm putting them in my fingers. And there's a lot of videos out there, you guys, that have really good tutorials. I've just looked at a lot of them and over the years and kind of developed my own way of just doing this really quick. And I'm really sorry. The trick is pulling that really, really tight, and then you'll see after I roll them, I kind of fold them over and just pulling that pipe cleaner really tight, holding the gathered, and if that makes sense, so the gathered and I just pull it up. See how I gathered the whole thing, and then do that. And that's what gets you that poof. So that's the trick. I think the more you pull that up, when you gather the poofs all in one gathering, like I don't know how to explain that, but when you get it all like that together, you pull it up, and then the more you do that, the better off you are. Now here I'm putting some the wired ribbon, and if you put the wired ribbon on the top, see, I have it on the top right there, and then you pull, and then I'm pulling it, gathering it, and there it is. And then I go back and I cut these finished edges. There you go. See, I always do these backwards too, like when I cut them. I have to think about how I'm cutting it, because I always like do it in a hurry. And so yeah, so that's so right here. And then okay, so I was done gathering those, and now I'm going to show you how I attach these. I already did a whole bunch of these, but you can see I'm gathering it from, I have it turned upside down, and now I'm pulling those two pipe cleaners through those two center hoops, and and then you pull it tight and then twist it. I'm pulling it as tight as I can, because that's what's going to make it. And then I twist it. I actually wrap that, but you don't have to do that. You don't have to like tie it in, but I wrapped it and then twist them. The tighter you are, the better off it is. And then I'm doing another one. Didn't want to sit here and do the whole thing for you guys. So here it is. I'm pulling it through the two center ones. So around there, hope you can see. I have one side of that pipe cleaner. Now I'm getting the other side. I'm going to pull it as tight as I can and wrap it. And I think I pull it and then wrap it. And there you go. So there it is. Now I'm just going to kind of fluff it up, but I'm putting some other elements on this wreath as well. Right now I am gathering my things that I'm putting two little scarecrows. Now all these items are from Dollar Tree. I think I figured it out. They're like $9, because I use like well, I'll go back to that, but there's a little scarecrow, and you get two for $1, so I just put one package which had two. And here I'm going to wrap, and I don't think you can see. I use the Dollar Tree. I'm showing you. I use the Dollar Tree pipe cleaners, that sparkly. You can't really see any of that, but just in case, you want to make sure you get something that coordinates with whatever you're creating. So I'm getting this scarecrow, and I'm going to wrap it around the top of it before I attach it. And I'm wrapping it a few times. I am so bad about getting things in frame, and I really apologize. So then I stick it in there, and then I'm pulling that pipe cleaner, and I'm going to get it and wrap it around the wire wreath. So I'm trying to tuck it in there, and then I'll flip it over, and then I'll pull that really tight. But you want to make sure that that stick is like within that that wreath. And I think I do show you how I stick it in there. So I'll flip it around. And now I'm pulling it as tight as I can. And I'm going to wrap that. And then I twist it. And there it is. So I stuck it in there. There it is. And getting another one. And I'm not really sure what I'm doing right here. Oh, here I am. I'm wrapping it. There I'm doing. I only put 2 of these little scarecrows in there, but I wrap it around, make sure that's on securely. And then I will stick those pipe cleaners through that wreath. So I stick it in there. And again, I'm going to wrap it around that mesh. Or not the mesh, the wire wreath. And I pull it. These things aren't going anywhere. I kind of wrap them. So here, you'll see I'm going to pull it through that wreath, and I'm going to pull it as tight as I can and wrap it around. And you only need to do a couple little like twists on that pipe cleaner. And if your wreath has those pipe cleaners, you can always trim those in the back so it looks cleaner. You'll see mine. So there's the other one. And I just fluff it around. And then I'm going to get some like, all this stuff is from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and get this garland that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to incorporate that in there throughout the entire wreath. The other thing I did was, well, I haven't yet, but I'm going to put little Dollar Tree lights in there. So there you can see I'm like tucking it in there in the mesh, and you can just pull it around. I did not like go round and round, but you'll see I did secure it. I mean, that stuff's not going anywhere. So I just wanted a little bit of this and that all over. I think it came out really pretty, and you'll see I put the finishing touches. I really need to figure out a way to get my tutorials better so that I can, you know, so that you can, I hope that you guys can understand. It's really not complicated, I don't think. I think a lot of videos sometimes make things a little too complicated, and really just know the, you know, the gist of it to put it together. Then you will know how it, you know, then you put in your own, you incorporate your own creativity in there. You'll see there I wrap it around like I think once, just to, you know, but, and I'm just fixing them as I go around. And hiding that. And I go around and I do get that, the garland part so that it's hidden in there. But I just like that little bit of the maple leaves. Really makes it look pretty. I just thought these were really easy to make, and I thought that I would just, you know, I gave it a shot, and I've done these in the past, but you know what? I end up giving them away, or I actually have never worked with the mesh, but I have done the, you know, the regular wreaths. I really like these mesh. I'm going to do a Halloween one. I think I'm going to do spring. I really love these. And at Dollar Tree, heck, that's like the best thing ever. And you can get all the little elements to put into your wreath. You see here, I'm gathering, I got a pipe cleaner and I'm going to secure some of that. I'm pulling it through so that it stays. I don't want that garland to fall off. But what I was saying is I did get some lights, so I can't find a little to undo the battery part. I need a little tiny Phillips, and I didn't have one, so you can't see the lights. I haven't put the lights in there, but I have little lights with maple leaf lights. So that's it. I think I'm done. I don't think I put anything more. I'm like kind of, you know, I'm just, yeah, I think that's it. So if you like this video and it was helpful to you, please like this video, please share, and also please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I'm at like 499 subscribers. I'd really love to see 500. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you guys give it a shot.